Qingdao Huashida is a high-tech enterprise with an annual sales volume of over $30 million, supported by a 30,000 square meter modern workshop and a professional team of more than 100 people. We specialize in pipeline equipment manufacturing, covering 40 product categories including 3PE or FBE anti-corrosion coating equipment, PU spray foaming insulation pipe equipment, PU spray injection insulation pipe production line, HDPE double-wall corrugated pipe equipment, and HDPE pipe, sheet and plate extrusion line, empowering the energy and infrastructure industries with in-depth technical strength. Our robust independent production capacity serves as the solid backbone. A range of high-precision equipment including 10 general-purpose machine tools, more than 30 CNC machining centers, and 20,000-watt laser cutting machines forms an integrated chain from processing to inspection, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of every single component. With solid craftsmanship and production capacity, we deliver stable and reliable equipment solutions to customers around the world.